Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to live transcribe voice memos right on your iPhone. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to open the Voice Memos application. You want to click the big red record button at the bottom of the screen. Tapping that will automatically start recording your voice, and it will automatically start transcribing it too. Now if you want to actually see the transcription happening in real time, swipe up on the voice recording window. Then, click the speech bubble icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And there you have it. A real-time representation of the transcription of your voice. Once you're ready to finish the recording, simply click the pause button and then click on Done in the bottom right-hand corner. Here you'll see the voice memo has been added to the list. You can rename this voice memo by clicking on the title and renaming it from here. You can also play the voice memo back by clicking the play button and scrolling through it. Now, if you click on the little audio wave diagram on the left-hand side of the voice memo, you're going to get a few options. You can preview the voice memo by viewing the wave format, or if you select the speech bubble in the bottom left-hand corner again, you'll be able to see the live transcription of the voice memo. A really cool feature is that you can tap any word on the transcription to skip directly to that part of the recording. You can also replace part of the voice memo. Just click on any word in the transcription and then click Replace at the bottom to record the replacement section of the voice memo. Once you are finished replacing that section, click on Done in the bottom right-hand corner. Your voice memo is now ready to store or share. To share it, click on the three dots to the right of the voice memo, and then click on Share. In the Share menu, you can share this to other contacts or devices, or you can use it in any other application. And that is how you use live audio transcription in voice memos. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.